We're going to do a brief video on Tesla stock, TSLA, Tesla stock analysis. We've got a daily chart of Tesla up here for you with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. We've got some interesting stuff going on with Tesla today. This stock is making new lows for this current decline. It's in a bear market. You can see it's below the 200-day moving average, below the 20-day moving average, below the 5-day moving average. So we're definitely in a bear market in Tesla, and you can see the bigger picture. It's been in a bear market essentially for quite a long time. We flirted with the 200-day moving average for since the beginning of August, but now we're finally breaking back down into deep bear market territory on Tesla. We had a big gap here 2 or 3 days ago between 255 and about 262, which still has not been filled completely, so that's not great. That's probably going to get filled, but it certainly has not gotten filled yet, and the price is getting down here low at 237. Today Tesla is trading aggressively down. It is down more than 4.5% on 20 million shares. The normal volume 74 million shares a day, down $11. It's interesting. We have two different algorithmic entry prices here today. I'm going to show you in a minute. One short, one long. But from a technical analysis perspective, Tesla is just basically deep back down into bear market territory. It looks to me like it's probably going to eventually end up trading sideways between this bottom down here of 206 and this top. Let's just put a line across it and call it 315. So that's a huge range for Tesla, but there's extreme uncertainty from a fundamental perspective on Tesla for a variety of reasons, not the least of which is the impact of Twitter and so forth. So from a technical analysis perspective, the stock is still in a bear market and is accelerating down. I don't expect it to continue to go down much further. I'm going to show you two different prices in a minute, but it's going to run into support down here around, at the worst case, around the 230s, somewhere around in here, and we'll probably get a bounce back up to the 255-ish range here, and that's probably going to happen within the next 2.5 weeks, all for entertainment purposes, in my opinion only. Let's take a look at Tesla for non-trend following. We've got 1, 5, and 20-day hold algorithmic entry prices, 239 all the way up to 247. Let's take a look and see if we hit those today. 239 to 247. So we hit the 239, and that's currently still a little underwater. So these prices are live for the 239, and the 243 I was also live, I believe. So a couple of our algorithmic, the 1 and the 5-day algorithmically generated prices have been hit, I think here. No, just the one. The 239 has been hit. So let's go down here and take a look, because it's interesting. These are all buys. These are 1, 5, and 20-day holds without a trend following component. Our trend following system is here. It's a 30-day trend following. Get in today, get out. Worst case, at the end of 30 days at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them. And it's got a short of way above the market at 257 today. So our trend following says short. Our algorithmic entry prices that are non-trend following say buy if you can get in, roughly assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea. That's what we got for you today on Tesla. These came out this morning, the 5th of October. You can get access to all of our algorithmically generated entry prices at rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, absolutely free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below, and again, they're updated before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a great comment, we'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, all of our entry prices and all of our commentaries for entertainment purposes only. You can only use it for entertainment. You should always trade at your own, under your own analysis, and definitely you do trade at your own risk.